Hello. Hello everyone. My name is SAI PAVAN. I am from Hyderabad. I had completed my B.TECH in Avanti Institute of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. And in the month of November, I had joined in the Jspiders Punjagutta branch. I had taken the course of Java full stack development, where I had with all the trainers of Jspiders and the Jspiders of Jspiders. They had treated me well. They had learned me from the basics of the scratch. So where I can able to upskill myself. And then after my trainers are SQL trainer was Revant Reddy sir, and Core Java trainer was Manjunath sir, and my advanced Java trainer was Ravi sir, and my web technology trainer was Reshma ma'am, where they had teaching me from the scratch, from the basics, where you can be able to help you for upskill myself, where grooming sessions are helped me a lot in gaining the knowledge and how we can able to crack the interviews also.